answer, I'm a hard, the is the only measure.